Is your car shaking, running rough, or losing power? That's called an engine misfire, and ignoring it can lead to serious, wallet-busting engine damage. I'm talking thousands of dollars to fix something that started out as a tiny problem. But here's the good news. Most engine misfire problems are easy to diagnose and fix right in your own driveway. You don't need a fancy degree or expensive tools, just a little know-how, and that's where I come in. Dealerships want you to think it's rocket science, but it's not. Welcome to Fixpro Garage. I'm Madison. Today, I'll show you what causes an engine misfire, the warning signs you can't ignore, and the simple troubleshooting steps you can do yourself. Forget the dealership, forget the chain stores. We're gonna get our hands dirty and get this done. Let's get started. So, what is an engine misfire? It's when one or more of your engine's cylinders fails to fire properly. Imagine a team of rowers. If one stops, the boat gets jerky and slow. Same with your engine. For smooth running, each cylinder needs air, fuel, spark, and compression. If any of these is missing or weak, you get a misfire. Misfires can happen at idle, during acceleration, or while cruising. The most common sign? That check engine light on your dashboard. The engine's computer detects a misfire and logs a code. If you feel a shake and see that light, you've got a misfire. Don't ignore it. Listen to your car. A misfire is a failure in the combustion cycle. Simple. It's not some mystical problem only a dealership can solve. The key is knowing where to start looking. Modern cars might hide small misfires, but the computer always knows. That check engine light is your early warning system. Most misfires are caused by simple, cheap parts you can replace yourself. Don't panic. Work through the problem logically. This channel is here to give you the confidence to fix your own car. Engine misfires are usually straightforward and satisfying to fix. Swap a tiny part, and your car runs like new. Stick with me. Your car can't talk, but it sure can complain. When it misfires, it's loud and clear. The most obvious symptom? A rough idle or shaking engine, especially at stoplights. You might feel like the engine's about to jump out of the hood. Next, loss of power. Press the gas, and the car feels sluggish or jerky. That's because one or more cylinders aren't pulling their weight. Fuel economy drops. You're at the gas station more often, and your money's going out the tailpipe. Raw, unburned fuel can damage expensive parts like your catalytic converter. And of course, the check engine light. Steady means a consistent misfire, flashing means a severe one. A flashing light is a 5-alarm fire. Pull over and shut off the engine immediately. A new catalytic converter can cost thousands, so don't risk it. To recap, rough idle, loss of power, bad fuel economy, steady or flashing check engine light. Knowing these symptoms lets you walk into a parts store or garage with confidence. You're not just a clueless customer, you're an informed owner. Don't ignore the signs. If you catch a misfire early, you can fix it before it becomes a major repair. Most of the time, it's a simple fix. Listen to your car and act fast. The sooner you diagnose, the less you'll spend. Don't let a small problem turn into a big one. Recognize the symptoms, and you're halfway to the solution. Let's move on to the most common culprit. Time to pop the hood. The number one cause of misfires, bad spark plugs. 70% of misfires are due to these little guys. They're cheap and easy to replace, so always start here. Spark plugs create thousands of sparks a minute in a harsh environment. They wear out. Worn or dirty plugs can't make a good spark. First step, pull the spark plugs and inspect them. On most engines, they're easy to access with a spark plug socket and ratchet. Look for worn electrodes, black soot, oily residue, or cracks. If they look anything but a nice light tan, replace them. Spark plugs are cheap, 20 or 30 bucks for a set. If they have over 50,000 miles or look questionable, just replace them. Don't try to clean modern plugs, just get new ones. Check the gap with a feeler gauge and use a bit of anti-seize on the threads. Screw them in by hand, then snug them up. Don't over-tighten. This is a job anyone can do and saves you hundreds in labor. Fixing your own car is satisfying and saves money. Replace the plugs, clear the check engine light, and your misfire may be gone. Before you panic or spend big, check the spark plugs. It's the most likely culprit and the cheapest fix. Most misfires are solved right here. If not, let's move to the next step. Onto ignition coils. Changed your spark plugs but still have a misfire? Next up, ignition coils. Each spark plug has its own coil in most modern cars. When a coil fails, it usually causes a misfire in one cylinder, a rhythmic shake. The engine computer will set a code, like P0301 for cylinder 1. A cheap OBD2 code reader is your best friend. Plug it in, read the code, and you know which cylinder is misfiring. Already replaced the spark plug? Next, test the coil. Pro tip, swap the suspected bad coil with one from another cylinder. Clear the codes, drive, and see if the misfire moves. If the code follows the coil, you've found your problem. Now you can buy just one new coil, not a whole set. Replacing a coil is easy. Unplug, unbolt, swap, and you're done. Don't let the name scare you. It's a simple plug-and-play part. If you have a single-cylinder misfire and new plugs, the coil is the next logical step. Use the swap trick, confirm the diagnosis, and replace the part. You'll feel like a genius, and your car will run like new. This simple test saves you money and time. Dealerships charge big for this. Do it yourself and save. If the misfire remains, it's time to check fuel delivery. Let's talk about fuel injectors. Keep following the logical steps, you're almost there. Good spark plugs and coils but still misfiring. Time to check fuel injectors. Fuel injectors spray gasoline into the cylinder, but they can get clogged over time. A clogged injector means a lean mixture, too much air, not enough fuel, causing a misfire. Symptoms are similar to a bad coil, misfire under acceleration, poor fuel economy, and a single-cylinder code. That's why we check spark first. It's easier. First, try a high-quality fuel injector cleaner with PE. Pour it in your gas tank, and drive. Sometimes, that's all it takes to clear a light clog. Give the car a few hard accelerations to help the cleaner work. If the cleaner doesn't help, the injector may be too clogged or failed electronically. Test the injector's resistance with a multimeter, or listen for a clicking sound with a stethoscope or screwdriver. No click means a dead injector. If you confirm a bad injector, it needs replacing. Some are easy to access, others are buried. Know your limits. If accessible, relieve fuel pressure, disconnect the rail, and swap the injector. Always replace the O-rings to prevent leaks. Fuel leaks are dangerous. Be careful. For many, a good cleaner is enough to fix the problem. Always try the easy fix first. If not, consider professional help for tough jobs. Most misfires are solved before you get this far. So, there you have it. Engine misfires are usually simple to fix yourself. Start with the easiest, cheapest steps. Spark plugs, then ignition coils, then fuel injectors. Don't jump to worst-case scenarios. By following this process, you'll fix most misfires without a trip to the shop. You'll save money and gain confidence. That's what Fixpro Garage is all about, empowering you to take control. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more DIY car fixes. We're here to keep your car running strong and your wallet full. Thanks for watching Fixpro Garage. See you in the next video.